Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Scorpios. If you like this reading and if this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading that will follow this reading, Scorpios. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine. She is an intuitive reader. She gives reading in fever. So you can contact her. I have given her link in the description below. So you can check that out. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first, Scorpios. So today we have Apprentice of Spheres, Eight of Spheres in reverse, and Initiate of Moons in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are in a circumstance. Someone is trying to influence you. Someone is trying to affect the choices you are making today. Maybe this person is someone really close to you. It may be they may be your friend or a colleague, someone you trust, someone you respect. But what this person is telling you today may be really difficult because you find the suggestions they give you something that may not work well for you, something that will lead you into some difficult circumstance. So you need to be really careful with them. And this person is influencing you to do something bad, do something against certain things, and it may work in a very bad way for you. It may land you in some difficult circumstances. So you need to be really careful with this person. It may be true even in this relationship. Maybe they do not like this person you love, so they are making suggestions against your person. They are telling you certain things, influencing you against this relationship. But you love this person, you love your person, you want to be with them, and what this friend of yours is telling you is something that you cannot follow. And maybe they are telling you this because they find you as a person who listens to them, listens to their ideas, listens to their suggestions. And you are a really devoted person, devoted to this friend of yours. But today you need to rethink about this friendship, rethink about this person. And you need to definitely rethink about this person who is influencing you in a very bad way. You need to be careful, otherwise you will land in some difficult circumstance and it is going to make the situation even more bad for you. And that is what I see with these cards, Scorpio. So for your relationship in particular, we picked one card and it says Knight of Sons. So this may be your person's energy towards you or your energy towards them. Maybe this person is, what to say, thinking again, just like I said, because of this influence you have, or because of this bad influence this person has. They are rethinking about this relationship. So something is changing their decision, or something is making them may go into a rash decision today. So it may be this bad influence they have or you have. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, Scorpios. So we have Master of Moons. So in your career, Scorpios, today you are a really talented and a very skilled person. That may be the reason things may go in a positive way. Maybe before you would have seen some difficult circumstance, but today your circumstances are definitely changing. That is what I see with these cards, and that is the reading for you all today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card for those who chose this card. It says orphaned. So in your circumstances today, in your relationship, you are in a situation where you feel that you are unable to fit in. You don't have that sense of belonging in this relationship. Some kind of uncertainty is there today in this connection. And the reasons may be because we are all unique beings and we are all evolving spiritually and emotionally. So we are committed to our own growth. And when we long for people to support us in this difficult path, we may be disappointed or even hurt by the people who are with us, because the way they are, maybe their actions or their words, they may not understand what we are going through, because each and every one of us are in different stages of personal growth. Maybe this person is at another stage and we are at another stage, and we are in this relationship. Maybe we are in a new connection where we do not share the same visions, share our values and beliefs, and each of us may have different values and beliefs. That may be the reason we do not feel so close with this person. That sense of belonging may not be there. So you need to accept things as it is today, whatever is happening, and you can be you can rest assured that spirit or that higher power or God, whatever you call it, will steer you in the direction of people who will appreciate you for whatever you are, without any artifice, without any agenda. So you don't have to compromise anything to be in this relationship just for that sense of belonging, because it won't be worth the price. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Vasila the Brave. And with this card, for those who chose this card, you are going through a difficult circumstance, but you need not worry. You are going to come out of this situation much wiser, much stronger than before, and you will pass any test that you have been put through today. And maybe in your life you have someone close to you. It may be a family member, it may be your mother or a sibling, a woman maybe for some of you. And this person is your strength, this person is your guiding light. And maybe for some of you, you have a very strong parent, you have that strong motherly love, you have experienced that in your life, and this love and knowledge is guiding you each and every day. And maybe in your heart of hearts, when you are making some important choices, you may hear a very calm voice telling you what you need to do. That is your intuition. You must listen to it. So you have a very a sensitive spirit, something telling you what to do, and it may be a wisdom that has been passed on from your parents or from your grandmother, someone who was very close to you. And in any situation, whatever difficulties you are seeing, if you listen to this voice, you are going to make the right decision, the right choice today. And you need to understand that there may be a time of separation from family members or friends, but you need to do your best. You need to try and do whatever needs to be done. Do not lose heart in this circumstance. And from this darkness, you are going to move towards a greatest light in your life, and you are going to face all your fears with courage and knowledge and wisdom. And there is a time of a new beginning coming in your life. So circumstances are definitely changing. All you need to do is face your situation with strength and determination, courage, and listen to your intuition that is going to guide you all the way through. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.